Hey, it's Brian from Alltest Instruments. As you know, U.S. manufacturing is all the rage on the global scene. And it should be, because American manufactured products are the highest quality, best things that you can buy on planet Earth. Alltest Instruments has been involved as a U.S. manufacturer in manufacturing and remanufacturing and servicing high quality test and measurement equipment and environmental test chambers. And what you see back here is a litany of pieces that are in process or ready to ship. We have a Thermotron SE1000 chamber with humidity capability that's being reworked. We have a Thermotron altitude chamber, an FA10, 10 cubic feet altitude chamber that's being prepped, going to be ready to ship shortly. We have a Thermotron WP393. This is going to a US manufacturer that's producing cars, and this is capable of temperature and humidity. And then what we have here are two very nice, very beautiful Thermotron SM32C chambers, 32 cubic feet, minus 70 to 170 C with humidity testing capability. If you have products that you are manufacturing in America, testing, or doing research and development, Alltest is standing by and happy to help. Please call, email, or click through to the link below. America.